guys, today I'm going to be playing with this new slime I got, and we're going to be using this credit card. I got it from Funzilla, and I was playing games that has nothing on it, obviously. I used all of it to buy this, literally just this. I don't know why I chose the worst one, but it's still very fun. So, Mom, shh. Okay, so I'm gonna start taking it out, and I might film this in my room because they're being so loud. Are you getting annoyed by them? What? Yes? Yeah, I know. They're talking so loud. My mom's about to leave, so I gotta make this video quick. Because I make videos on my mom's phone, and oh, that's cool. On her phone, because my iPad, for some reason, it can't make videos. I used to have a phone since I was 3, and it got wet because I brought it to Auburn school when I was 5 and I'm 6. I'm about to turn 7 in summer, obviously. So it's August 2nd is my birthday. So it's not that close, but it's close, but not really. So let's get started into this video. So we are gonna be playing with slime. Look at this. It's like a face mask. To make it a face mask, I just gotta flatten it out on my hand. Ew. And take it out, stretch it out like dough, and make these faces for my eyes. There we go, and other way. Ooh, I am the legend. I know it's kind of scary and weird, but you want to see something satisfying? So if I stick this to my hand, what did you say? Say it out loud. Even louder. Louder? Oh, so you want me to take it off? Okay. So, if I take it off, this, it literally like gets stuck. Ew, that's disgusting. Why did you make me take that off? Well, one of my videos, you can take it off. You can give me a dare in one of my videos. So you can like give me a dare to. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Ready? Badaka-diki. Oh, yeah. Let's switch this out. Badaka-diki-daki-daki-do. I've been made a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from? Badaka-diki-do. No. It goes like this. Switch this out. Badaka-diki-daki-daki-do. I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from? Cabanado. Daka-diki-daki-daki-do. I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from? Cabanado. Guess what? My mom is 42 years old. And that song came out when she was 4 years old. I know. So I don't know why I'm singing it because I'm only 6. And I don't know why I'm saying it when it came out like 1,000 years ago. Just kidding. I wasn't even born 1,000 years ago. I wasn't even born yet 14 years ago. I was like, if my mom was 6 when that came out, that means I would have been invisible because I wasn't even born yet. So, I don't know why that has to be true, but that's true. It's just true. And I'm telling you a lot of stories right now, so I think it's time to do the cool part with the credit card. So stay tuned to the video. Because I'm doing the card right now. Here I go. Card. It's going. Ew. Look at like me to. Oh, I'm gonna like cut it all the way. Ew. I'm gonna take the part out that it just ripped out. Come on, get out. Okay. There we go. Without this piece, and there's still a lot more. So let's cut out a big chunk. And let's just take off the whole thing. And how did that happen? So I'm gonna start playing with that squishy now, so wait a minute. Okay, here it is. Ooh. Ow. I'm don't worry. I'm back. Don't worry, I'm back. I got this big little. Yeah? Cute bunny. Okay. I just need to do something. Catch. And I can squish it. It's so cute. You can squish it. Squish it. Squish it. Look. It's like its big brain is popping out. It's like its big brain is popping out. Cool.
Not going with mommy, Natalie?
No. And this, it's like squish this. Look, it's kind of like sparkly.
It's hard because it's like I'm having trouble and you are. And it's like.
And this is hard. Oh, to catch. So, ooh. Holy. Squeezing it. Holy. I want to show you something cool. This bounces when the ear, look. I'm big swing ear bunny. Oh, yeah. And hi, yeah. So the slime is what I showed you today. It smells good. Maybe you can smell it for the camera. Through the camera. And this is the cat. It's smelly. It smells. So, and I showed you this today in the video. It's like sparkly, right? And I'll show you the credit card in this video. And I'm going to show you the squishy in this video. Look at it. Yeah, so tiny. This is the end of my video. Bye.